So then you wash, make your wudu, do your durood al-sharif for energy to keep shaitans away, and then read Holy Qur'an, energize with power. So it becomes the weapon for the believer, in which the light of Prophet dresses their heart, dresses their soul, dresses their character. And what Prophet promised then for us is, remember me one time and my soul will come to be present with you and give you 10 praisings back. So imagine then you're doing 100, 200, 300 salawats, 1,000 salawats per day, the presence of Prophet is with that servant. What's more powerful than that against shaitan? There is nothing more powerful, there is no one more powerful against shaitan than the presence of Sayyidina Muhammad. So why call on anything lesser? Why think anything else going to help me? That is the secret of a'udhu billah. So before you even open the reality of Bismillah, its secret is Allah says, seek refuge from shaitan. Where am I going to seek refuge? In the presence, ja'uka wastaghfirullah wastaghfirukum rasul, that go always to the presence of Sayyidina Muhammad. So then the buraq of the believer is their tasbih. As soon as they put the tasbih in their hand, it has an immense light. Shaitan is scared of that, the sight of that tasbih, especially the one that been used often. It has a light that emanating from it. As soon as they begin to praise, fires and Divinely lights are coming from their soul and from their heart, and the shaitans see that and they begin to run from that. Something that is not imaginable, it's not anything that anybody can understand. Why? Because it brings the presence of Prophet, his nur and his light, and that's something that the shaitan is not going to be in the presence of. So it means then it heals us. For those whom are not feeling well, they feel sick, make durood al-sharif. Keep yourself in wudu and keep your taweez and do consistently your durood al-sharif throughout the day. You should have immense amount of himmah.